Hello everyone, so this is our last lesson number 4 of the course Nitrogen Metabolism in Plants. So this is presented by me, Aparajita Shankdhar, and we have already discussed in our previous lessons about the nitrogen metabolism, its kind, and how the symbiotic nitrogen fixation takes place, and we have already seen that how the nitrogen has been converted into the usable form ammonia. Then what is going to happen after this? Let's see. After the conversion of nitrogen into the ammonia, in the process of nitrogen metabolism, the process of nitrification occurs. So what is nitrification? In the process of nitrification, the ammonia first converted into the ammonium ion, and these ammonium ion gets converted into the nitrite and then further converts into the nitrate ions. How this occurs? Let's see here. The nitrification process of ammonia occurs in two steps. There are two steps. In the first step, the ammonia converts into the nitrite, and this process is carried out by bacteria, which is Nitrosomonas. So in the presence of bacteria Nitromonas, the ammonia has been converted into the nitrite. These nitrites then converts into the nitrate ion. This nitrite ion has been converted into the nitrates in the presence of another bacteria, which is Nitrobacter. So there are two bacteria. First is Nitrosomonas, which converts the ammonia into nitrite, and second is Nitrobacter, which converts the nitrite into the nitrate. So why this ammonia is converted into the nitrate? Although the ammonia is a usable form, but we must know that there is a significance of nitrification, means the conversion of ammonia into the nitrate, because for most plants, nitrate is the preferred chemical form of nitrogen uptake from soil or water. So from soil or water, in case of most of the plant, the nitrate is a preferred chemical form. So they absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrates. So it becomes very much important to convert the ammonia into the nitrates. Then there comes a process of nitrogen assimilation. What happens in nitrogen assimilation? This is defined as the formation of organic nitrogen compounds, means the formation of organic nitrogen compounds like amino acid from inorganic compounds present in environment. Plants absorb nitrogen from the soil in the form of nitrates and ammonium ion, and in the presence of enzyme, which is nitrate reductase. We have already seen that nitrates or ammonium ion are absorbed by plants, and this was done in the process of nitrification. And when these nitrate gets absorbed, they are in the presence of an enzyme which is known as nitrate reductase. They are further converted into the nitrite, and these nitrite in the presence of nitrite reductase converts into ammonia again. So there are two enzymes involved. First is nitrate reductase, which convert the nitrate into nitrite, and the second one is nitrite reductase, which converts the nitrite into ammonia. Then from this ammonia or ammonium ion, the synthesis of amino acids takes place. This is the step number 2, or the process of synthesis of amino acids. As the ammonia is formed, this ammonia react with alpha ketoglutarate, or we can also say it alpha ketoglutaric acid, and forms the glutamate, or we can say glutamic acid, and also the aspartic acid is also formed. So in the synthesis of amino acids, and this alpha ketoglutaric acid is also formed by the combination by the reaction of alpha keto acid with glutamate. It results in the formation of amino acid and alpha keto glutarate, and this alpha keto glutarate then react with ammonium ion. This is a plus, 1 plus, and result in the formation of glutamic acid or glutamate. So what is written here, let's see, that most amino acids are synthesized from alpha keto acids and later transminated from another amino acids, usually glutamate, and the enzyme involved in this process are aminotransferase. So what is happening here, that first alpha keto acid combined with glutamates and result in the formation of alpha keto glutarate, and this alpha keto glutarate further reacts with ammonium ion and produce the glutamic acid or glutamate. And from these glutamate, by the process of transamination, which can be defined as refers to the transfer of amine group from one molecule to another, the formation of other amino acid takes place. So there is occurring a process of transamination which acts on glutamic acid, and from this glutamic acid, which was formed earlier from the combination of alpha glutaric acid and ammonium ion, other amino acid synthesis takes place by the process of transamination. So this was all about the nitrogen metabolism in plants. We have already discussed in detail. So thank you very much for listening, and if you like this course, then you can share with your friends, and if you find there is any need of improvement in case of content or presentation, then you can suggest me. I'll try to improve on my best. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.